Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7. I think it's Vlogmas Day 7. I'm losing track sometimes. But yeah, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7. As y'all can see by today's title and thumbnail, today's video is going to be a day in the life as a teen braider / teen hairstylist. Period. So today I have a client coming at 9 o'clock. It's 8:37 and she's getting some, you want to say something to the vlog? My vlog. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. So today my client is coming in and she's getting some boho twist, boho knotless twist. So real cute, real demure. I'm not cutting none of this out. Chat, yeah, that's what we doing. Don't mind anything he's talking about on this phone. My client is gonna get her at 9 o'clock and we're gonna get her in and out. I'm gonna do a vlog for y'all today. I know y'all really like last year's video. Yeah, we're gonna rerun this back. We're gonna rerun it back. And yeah, if you haven't tuned into my last video, both my Christmas wishes and the 100+ Christmas gift list guide, go tune into that. Like, what? But yeah, y'all, so that's what we're doing right now. I literally have not eaten anything, but I might make a bagel and put some cream cheese on it and eat it. I'm gonna go get some chai tea today probably because I don't have any more and I don't like the coffee that I have. It's just not good. There's nothing really going on right now. I'm actually about to finish editing another video, so I'll catch y'all when she get here. Hey chat, so my client is here.
Hi.
This is actually my sister's best friend. So yeah, I didn't even know she was getting blue, so she surprised me. She literally dyed her hair blue. And was your hair pink before though?
No,
or
it was brown.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So when she cut it, it was brown, but now it's blue. Yeah, we're about to bust her down. It's gonna look so cute. I'm glad she got blue because it's gonna be different on my page. So yeah. Yeah, it don't look hard at all. That's why I'm literally doing it on my friend. Like I was like,
I used to like a leave out quickly. That was the twist. Remember? I looked at it. I was like, this might have to just get regular.
yeah, like for the twist. Do you want a boho though? I don't know though. So we could see. But that's why I asked. I was like, usually, you know, you just get regular boho. Yeah. Yeah, but I think that's boho here. That's like blue. Hair rag for Christmas. Like,
did you have one?
I did, but I want a bigger one. That one was small. It was still taking a mad time. Like it wasn't really helping for real. So. I'm done with her hair. She's just about to go. I'm trying to hurry up. But it's real tea. Real tea. Nice and long. Yes. It's giving like winter wonderland type of vibes. Hey, how do you rate this 1 out of 10?
My imagination came true. That's how I pictured it in my head. Cause I was thinking about it.
Yes.
So 10 out of 10.
Thanks. We're gonna have to insert a picture of the pink version that she sent me, and then we recreated it in the blue version. So yeah, y'all, real tea, real tea. Naughty being a little countdown thing when you record. Anyways, hey chat. I didn't even end up finishing the video. Well, I didn't even end up like filming after she left last night, so not too much. I'm out here doing a little outro. I finally got this little app on my computer. Y'all saw him in the beginning of the vlog, but like say hey to the vlog.
What's up?
Okay, but yeah. But anyways, let me know if y'all like the video down in the comment section. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, because we on the road to 2K. And I almost low-key slipped up on Vlogmas a little bit, because I'm posting it. Whenever I posted this, I was basically supposed to post it on Saturday. But anyways, we just gonna skip past that. We gonna skip past that. Yeah, chat. Follow my socials if you haven't already. It'll be on the screen and in the description box below. I'm gonna see y'all in Vlogmas day 8.